Tysons Corner, Virginia is located just 16 miles outside of the capital and will serve as a hub over this weekend excursion. Hilton Double Tree is located in the heart of Tysons, surrounded by restaurants and numerous shopping centers. This bustling area features a vibrant nightlife atmosphere and unique architecture. This hotel is a great affordable option for families looking to escape the traffic of DC due to its close proximity to the metro station. Hilton Doubletree features an in-house restaurant, breakfast buffet available for purchase daily, outdoor patio, fitness center, and more. Sit back and enjoy my review of this vast property, including our 2-king suite. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for all the latest travel content. Greetings everyone to the first hotel review of 2025. We are actually at the Hilton Double Tree, which is just outside of Washington, D.C. We are in the town of, I believe it's called McLean. And yeah, today I'm going to be doing a 2-king suite review here. And just to give you guys a look outside, you can see some of the trees are actually starting to bloom already in the background. So we are here for the annual Cherry Blossom Festival, as well as the blooming in downtown Washington, D.C. So this is going to be a quick little room review here. As you guys can see, this hotel is very modern. It comes with a nice, large, flat screen, high-def TV. And the beds are super comfy, too. I think these are actually, I think these are king beds. I'm pretty sure. I'm not, or if not, I'll just put it in the title description here. But they're real soft. Over here too, you have a phone, of course, and these drawers are really large too. Look at that. Store your clothes there if you're staying for the week or whatever, or business meetings. And then over here you got your coffee maker, a nice desk, nice leather soft chair, and then you could also pull this out if you want to work on your computer. But I'm not gonna pull that out actually. And then over here, like I said before, there's a TV. And you have about, it looks like 1 USB and 2 wall outlets there to charge some stuff. And then there's some more outlets over here. There's 2 more, plus 2 more chargers. Look at these big drawers too for storing stuff. Then over here, of course, you got your mini fridge, which we actually brought our Yeti cooler on this trip because it's a road trip this time. We didn't have to get on an airplane flight, which was nice because, I don't know. I'm not the biggest fan of airports. But over here, this is a nice little depiction of downtown DC. Nice artwork. I love that. And here's also what the room looks like from this angle. Very clean and modern looking too. Then of course, this is the storage closet with the iron board. And I don't think there is a safe here. I'll keep an eye out if I see one though. Look at this bathroom, guys. It has a nice angular design, too. Very cool. And then over here, the shower's nice and clean, too. And they got the pump shampoos and soaps. So overall, it's really a nice room. Very impressed with this place. And the only downside is this place actually doesn't have a pool or a hot tub, but it does include a restaurant as well as some outdoor amenities. Like, there's some lounging. They have a fountain. And like a courtyard area. You guys could see outside the window. It's called Tysons Social Tavern, Wine and Dine Restaurant. So there is a restaurant on this property, and then there's like a little courtyard out here. I'll show you guys that later on. But anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this room review here at the Hilton Double Tree in McLean. And just a beautiful place to stay. It's a really affordable option too. I think it was a little over $100 a night, which is a deal, especially in DC. So thank you for watching today's adventures. And I have to say, Great Falls was absolutely spectacular. That was really an awesome waterfall park. It was nice to see it from the Virginia side this time. So anyways, thanks for watching this review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all later.